Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Divak Varshani and in this video we will see how to fix this error. If you are installing any software and you are facing this error with the message that setup was unable to create the directory and it shows one path and which ends with the name of your software which you are installing. Here I am installing Windows Filmora and at last it shows error 2. The system cannot find the file specified. So please follow all the steps to fix these problems. We are going to disable some settings before we start installation of same software. So before you start, please disable all the settings I am going to show you here in this video. So first, make sure you disable third-party antivirus by right-click on antivirus and then disable or pause it. And if you are not using any third-party antivirus, then you have to disable Windows protections which are inbuilt. So you go to Start menu and click on Settings. And then click on Update and Security and go to Windows Security. Here in Windows Security, we will disable all the settings in virus and threat protection, firewall and network protection, and app and browser. So first, let's start with virus and threat protection. And go to Manage Settings. Disable all these settings one by one. Once you disable real-time protection, it will also disable manage control forward access. So you don't need to do anything here. So now we will disable firewall and network protections. Make sure you disable all the settings in firewall and network protection. And then you go to app and browser control and click on reputation based protection settings and disable all these options. And at last you click on privacy settings at the right side and disable all these settings. And now you can close all these windows. If you are unable to find all these settings I have shown here, you can manually search here one by one. If you will write Windows Defender, the list of all these settings will come here. So you can click on this virus protection, firewall and app and browser control one by one and disable manually. And again, if you are unable to find these settings here, you can skip this step and move ahead. So now, last setting we will disable is user account control settings. So you type here user account control setting and then click here and then change to never notify and then click on OK. Once you disable all these settings, you can try again to install your software. If you face any problems after trying all these solutions, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and my WhatsApp number is here on my website dvarshani.com. So if you will go to this dvarshani.com website, you will find here how may I help you. So hit the button and contact me if this solution doesn't work for you. If you have any feedback or comment, you can drop it in the comment box below. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel.